kum kajing ai burom ban kajing ai nam nak benta kito kibalalen yelade banyak kun pyrshah ia kajing saprian ka khlam COVID-19 ka office jong ka district disaster management authority Ri-Bhoi district hakasingi palei kal ai burom da ki syrnot syabaro kinong tray Sorkar na kitanat baper Ri-Bhoi bat kan tubru ia ka kan hun kinong tok kubor na katika district ia kan ka jing ai burom nak benta kito kibaladon keti banyak kun pyrshah ia ka khlam COVID-19 lapenlong ha district library auditorium hall nongpo hakaba ka deputy commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi ka kong RM kurba kala simbeta kum kokongsan ban ai tiru ye ki syrnot syaki klidu jong kitanat Sorkar baper hakate kasngi ladon rekat ru ka edc barim ka Ri-Bhoi ka kong diphawa u edc ka Ri-Bhoi bamenta uba bante je karshandi uba en lamare sp ka Ri-Bhoi u district medical and health officer ka Ri-Bhoi u dr Emori bar kantup kiwe ki officer barha kane ka juga sngi ka deputy commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi kala plai paj baru ia ka short film ni ka documentary halor ka jinge ku ni ka khlam COVID-19 nadu bakal sedang banwan sapriang hakane ka jela Meghalaya
with the thing that we have to scan the travelers, so we do not have the scanning machine or that kind of thing. We had to make the arrangement from Shillong. So that was, we managed to get the scanning machine by 5:30 and the gate was set up by 6 o'clock. So this program should have been at 6 o'clock in the evening. Anyway, we had set up the checkpoint at Birmingham from a makeshift infiltration checkpost here. And we all know there was a lot of congestion, a lot of traffic jam. People were stuck there for 8 hours, 9 hours because we had to clear each and every vehicle. And I really thank all those officers who were with us from day one. All the ADMs, all the executive magistrates who were empowered to do your duty there at the checkpoint. And also I would like to thank very much the local MLAs of this district for coming forward, to take that responsibility in helping us, in showing us the way, in guiding, to be with us as a team, to, the MDCs to him who came much later, but they were there with us. Then most importantly, I would thank my Chief Secretary for, for supporting us and for always being there late at night. Never had to experience what we did in the last 1 year. It was a nightmare for all of us. I remember the day when the first case happened in our state. Coincidentally, late Dr. Silo, he was very close. He's very close. His heart is very close here in Nongpo. Actually, he had visited this place about say a week or so before he died in this due to pandemic, due to the COVID. There was a lot of confusion, a lot of resistance, and eventually they buried him in Shillong.